Hello friends, welcome back to our channel for Tech 360. In this video, we are conducting a mock test on General Agriculture Set 6. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Tech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following indoor plants is poisonous? Options: A. Cordyline, B. Chlorophyllum, C. Dieffenbachia, D. Dracaena. Correct answer: C. Dieffenbachia. Question number 2. In a formal garden, the imaginary center line is known as options: A. Focal point, B. Hedges, C. Axis, D. Edges. Correct answer: C. Axis. Question number 3. Ixora can be classified into which of the following? Options: A. Herbs, B. Shrubs, C. Trees, D. Climbers. Correct answer: B. Shrubs. Question number 4. Technique to control shape, size and direction of plant growth is known as options: A. Training, B. Topiary, C. Thinning, D. Disbudding. Correct answer: A. Training. Question number 5. The best method to propagate a good quality jackfruit tree is options: A. Seed propagation, B. Tongue grafting, C. Approach grafting, D. Layering. Correct answer: C. Approach grafting. Question number 6. Rooting chemical Rootex contains options: A. IAA, B. IBA, C. Kinetin, D. 2,4-D. Correct answer: B. IBA. Question number 7. Plants suitable for pergolas among the following? Options: A. Jasmine, B. Casuarina, C. Tuja, D. Phyllanthus. Correct answer: A. Jasmine. Question number 8. Chamber used to perform tissue culture operation in aseptic conditions. Options: A. Laminar airflow, B. Autoclave, C. Alcohol lamps, D. Culture medium. Correct answer: A. Laminar airflow. Question number 9. Small pairs of plants used to begin tissue culture is termed as options: A. Explant, B. Mother plant, C. Rootstock, D. None of these. Correct answer: A. Explant. Question number 10. Mushroom is the fruiting body of options: A. Virus, B. Fungus, C. Phytoplasma, D. Bacteria. Correct answer: B. Fungus. Question number 11. Which of the following is the quickest method of lawn making? Options: A. Seeding, B. Dibbling, C. Turfing, D. Turf plastering. Correct answer: D. Turfing. Question number 12. Main features of English garden. Options: A. Lawn, B. Rockery, C. Lanterns, D. Border. Correct answer: A. Lawn. Question number 13. Japanese garden do not have options: A. Terrace garden, B. Sand garden, C. Stone lantern, D. Stream. Correct answer: A. Terrace garden. Question number 14. Xeriscaping is a type of landscaping that uses plants that need very little. Options: A. Clean air, B. Sunlight, C. Soil, D. Water. Correct answer: D. Water. Question number 15. Green facade is the term used in which of the following? Options: A. Vermiculture, B. Sericulture, C. Green manuring, D. Vertical gardening. Correct answer: D. Vertical gardening. Question number 16. Plants suitable for topiary. Options: A. Ticoma, B. Duranta, C. Thunbergia, D. Clerodendron. Correct answer: B. Duranta. Question number 17. Plant which is suitable as a central specimen in garden. Options: A. Bougainvillea, B. Banyan tree, C. Christmas tree, D. Rain tree. Correct answer: C. Christmas tree. Question number 18. Plant suitable for bonsai making and which is easily available in. Options: A. Rain tree, B. Banyan tree, C. Acacia, D. All of these. Correct answer: B. Banyan tree. Question number 19. Ear-cockle disease of wheat is caused by. Options: A. Puccinia triticii, B. Angina triticii, C. Corynebacterium triticii, D. None of these. Correct answer: B. Angina triticii. Question number 20. Root knot of brinjal is caused by. Options: A. Melodogin incognita, B. Fusarium udum, C. Pseudomonas rublinus, D. Angina solanacearum. Correct answer: A. Melodogin incognita. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala PSC for LDC Prelims. This series will have daily practice tests of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs, containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. Wilt of pigeon pea is caused by. Options: A. Xanthomonas citri, B. Fusarium udum, C. Phytophthora infestans, D. Pseudomonas rublinus. Correct answer: B. Fusarium udum. Question number 22. White rust of crucifers by. Options: A. Albugo, B. Ustilago, C. Puccinia, D. Phytophthora. Correct answer: A. Albugo. Question number 23. Downy mildew disease is caused by. Options: A. Albugo, B. Puccinia, C. Peronospora, D. Phytophthora. Correct answer: C. Peronospora. Question number 24. Wart disease of potato is caused by. Options: A. Personospora destructor, B. Phytophthora infestans, C. Phythium debarinum, D. Syncytrium endobioticum. Correct answer: D. Syncytrium endobioticum. Question number 25. Which is responsible for wood rot? Options: A. Ericephae, B. Foliporus, C. Lycoperdon, D. None of these. Correct answer: B. Polyporus. Question number 26. Potato famine of Ireland was caused by options A. Phytophthora palmivora, B. Plasmopara viticola, D. Puccinia graminis, D. Phytophthora infestans. Correct answer D. Phytophthora infestans. Question number 27. Covered smut of sorghum is caused by options A. Speculotheca cruenta, B. Speculotheca raeliana, C. Speculotheca sorghai, D. Tolipesporium ehrenburgi. Correct answer C. Speculotheca sorghai. Question number 28. Early leaf spot disease in Arachis hypogaea is caused due to infection of options A. Cirrospora personata, B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, C. Phytophthora infestans, D. Gibberella fujikuri. Correct answer A. Cirrospora personata. Question number 29. Which of the following is necessary for biological nitrogen fixation? Options A. Copper, B. Zinc, C. Manganese, D. Molybdenum. Correct answer D. Molybdenum. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is going to start a 90-day course for 12th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy, use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. A great opportunity to get top rank in 10th level prelims exams. Unacademy is going to start a 30-day crash course for 10th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.